Hello everyone, today I'm so exciting about these seeds. I found them after 26 years in my house. As you can see, they belongs to 1993, and both of them are packed in 1993. I think that time I was a 10 years old boy, and my mom bought it for me. In that time, gardening been my hobby, and still it is my hobby, it is my love, it is my life. I love to grow any seed, any plant, and any fruit tree, and my goal is a tropical fruit tree in this cold weather. So I want to tell you, Californiapoppy is a so beautiful flower. They are orange with a red shade and yellow. They are so beautiful. If you don't plant them yet, I recommend it to you plant them. As you can see, the price is $1.39. I researched about the price right now. That's $5 or $6. It depends to which store you want buy it. And about Gypsophila, honestly, they are so beautiful and so easy to grow, and they have a colorful flower on it. If you don't plant them, I recommend it to you. You plant these flowers, you will be happy with them. Honestly, I want to go in my grow room, in my kitchen. Here I don't plant anything. I don't bring soil here. I want to go in my grow room, in my garage, and then plant them. As you know, plant a seed is not really difficult, so I don't waste your time for plant the seed. But after they sprouting, I give you update. I hope they can sprouting. As you know, some flowers and some seeds cannot grow after a few years, but some of them can sprouting after 100 years. So I want to plant some of them. For each container I use half of this seed. If it wasn't like these, I'm for each container I'm usually plant 10 or 20 seed, and almost I get that 10 or 20 or sometimes 15. These seeds always sprouting. If you plant your seed in light soil and keep them moist, not wet. This is so important, between moist and wet. Some people make a mistake about this, and they keep their seedlings so wet, and then they cannot get a good result. So after they sprouting, I will give you an update and I will show you they can sprouting or no. I'm so happy about this. Thanks for watching me. Please subscribe the channel. Don't forget to follow me. Now it is a time for work on my garden. I'm super busy. I will give you a video and make a video about pruning fruit tree, about feed them. Honestly, I have many video and I want to make them. I have a plan for make them, so I hope you can find some new on my videos. Always trying to make a benefit video, hopefully could be success. Thanks for watching me. Have an awesome weekend. God bless you all.